Why don't senior dogs worry about their soft dog food? Because they've already had their bark mitzvah, so now they're focusing on their bite mitzvah. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on soft dog food for seniors. Tip 1. Choose food specifically formulated for senior dogs. Senior dogs require a different nutritional profile compared to their puppy or adult counterparts. They generally need fewer calories, more fiber, and less fat. Therefore, choose a canned food that has been specifically formulated for their unique dietary needs to ensure they're getting proper nutrition. Tip 2. Consider soft food with joint supplements. As dogs age, they are more prone to developing joint issues like arthritis. Some senior dog foods are fortified with additional supplements such as glucosamine and chondroitin to support joint health and mobility. Tip 3. Stay aware of your dog's dental health. Older dogs often suffer from dental problems such as gum disease or tooth loss, which can make it hard for them to chew dry food. Consider switching to a softer food that is easier on their teeth and gums while still providing all the necessary nutrients they need. Tip 4. Look for high-quality protein. Senior dogs still need a good amount of protein in their diet to support lean muscle mass. Dogs are carnivores by nature, so foods containing real meat as the first ingredient are a good choice. Avoid foods that list meat byproduct as it's not as nutritious. Tip 5. Focus on easily digestible foods. Some senior dogs have a more sensitive digestive system, so opt for food that is easily digestible to alleviate any stomach issues. Many senior dog foods are made with easy-to-digest ingredients and probiotics to support their older digestive system. Tip 6. Consider your dog's preferences. Just like humans, dogs have individual tastes. Some dogs may prefer certain textures, flavors, or ingredients over others. If your dog seems uninterested in their food, try varying the flavors or texture to stimulate their appetite. Tip 7. Observe portion control. Though canned food has lower caloric density, overfeeding can still lead to obesity, which is detrimental to a senior dog's health. Therefore, ensure you are giving the correct portion sizes and not free-feeding your pet. Tip 8. Make sure the food is rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants are essential for senior dogs as they support a healthy immune system. Many senior formulated foods include fruits and vegetables that are high in antioxidants. Tip 9. Consider a grain-free diet. Some older dogs may have sensitivities or allergies to grains. Grain-free foods use alternative carbohydrate sources that can be easier on your dog's stomach. Tip 10. Ease into the transition. Switching their food abruptly may upset your dog's stomach. Instead, gradually mix in the new food with the old food over a period of a week to make the transition smoother. Tip 11. Always consult your vet first. Your vet knows your dog's health best and is a valuable resource for choosing the right food. Always consult your vet before changing your dog's diet, especially if your dog has existing health conditions.